All right, everybody, welcome back to Plumber's Instant Pot. Here today we got some chicken, some rice, some onion, some mozzarella cheese, some butter, some minced garlic, a little SPG rub, and an onion. We're going to try a recipe that I saw today. We're going to give it a try out for dinner tonight. It's a special cook for my wife's birthday, so everybody say happy birthday to the wife. Hopefully this will turn out pretty good, not nasty, so she won't yell at me for ruining her birthday dinner. First thing we want to do is go ahead and get some of this stuff set aside. Let's get this chicken here cut up. We just want to get it cut up in some bite-sized pieces. Make sure it's boneless. Well, these are actually chicken breasts, right? Yeah, boneless chicken breasts. All right, got the chicken all chopped up real nice here. Let's get ready to start sauteing the minced garlic and the onions here. So we'll be right back. All right, we got our stick of butter. All we want to do is use 4 tablespoons. So we'll just go ahead and cut it right there. Put that aside, and then we'll trim this down. Before we trim it down though, let's put this on Sauté, hit start, start sauteing. Then cut this down in a little bit smaller pieces. Then put it in the bottom of the Instant Pot, let it get melted good. Then we start sauteing these onions and minced garlic. So as soon as it's melted, we'll be right back. We'll start sauteing up the garlic and the onions. All right, you can see we got the butter melting in here pretty good. All going off to the sides. So now that it's pretty good melted up, let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and add the onions here first. And get sauteing in the butter. The minced garlic here. Just a regular old spoon. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons full. Now we're gonna start sauteing these. We're gonna let them go for 5 minutes. After they've sauteed for 5 minutes, we'll get ready to add the chicken. And oh, also forgot you need chicken broth. Forgot about that. So let me grab the chicken broth while this is sauteing, and we'll be right back. All right, that's been sauteing good here for about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this chicken in here. We're gonna let it brown up, get it mixed in real good. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a little extra flavor for it right now. Go ahead and get the SPG put on the chicken. Don't want to overpower it, so don't need too much. But we're going to go ahead and keep stirring this around until it ain't translucent anymore. And we'll finish up. Got 4 cups of chicken broth here that we'll be adding next, along with the rice. But also with your rice, you're going to want to take it. You want to rinse it out first. So let me get that ready. And we'll get all this mixed together and get ready to start cooking. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and turn it off the Sauté. Meat's starting to look good down in there. Hopefully you can see it through the steam. That'll stop here in 1 second. So I'm going to go ahead first. I'm going to add, like I said, 4 cups of chicken broth. So I don't spill it on the table also. 1 freshly squeezed onion, 1 freshly squeezed lemon. Wife went ahead and squeezed it out, so we're gonna add that in there. Also took the rice, went ahead and Ran some water through it and drained it out. As much in here as I can. Maybe have to scrape some out here. I think that should be good. Now we want to get the chicken stirred around in it good. So the chicken's up toward the top. All right, that part's all done. Let's get ready to put the top on and set the timer. All right, we got that all mixed together. So make sure you got your thing set to sealed, your venting spout. Just set on here, get it set. Thing's good to go. We want to set it on pressure cook. Make sure it's on high. We only want to do this for 8 minutes. So we're going to let it cook for 8 minutes. We're going to do a 2-minute natural release and then pre-release all the rest of it after that. You don't want it overcooked. So there we go, 8 minutes. We'll see you after it's done cooking, and then the countdown of 2 minutes of natural releasing is done. Did our 8 minutes. We'll let it slow release for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna grab me a towel here so I don't get too much on me, but let's get the pressure off of here. Alrighty, finished this pressure release. Let's get this top off of here. Looking pretty good in there. Let's get this over the sink real quick. Get this stirred up a little bit. The rice is looking good in there. Really good and cooked. Now the good part, got the Parmesan cheese. Add as little or as much as you want. I'm probably just going to add this whole bag in there. That was a total of 6 ounces. I'm going to start stirring it around here in the chicken and the rice. Let it get good and melted. That'll be the nice creamy part of it. Oh yeah, look at there, it's coming up together real good. Smells delicious too. All right, there we go. Let's get this thing plated up, give it a try, see how good it is. All right, let's give this a try. Boy, this thing's still gonna be hot. Just blowing off good here and get it cooled down. All right, here we go. Let's see how good it is. Delicious. Definitely a must-have. You guys need to try. So hey, thanks for watching. If you can, remember, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys on the next one.